Okay, now, so we're gonna do the voiceover. Okay, so now we're gonna go to voice clone. Then max is 2000 characters. Okay, so we're gonna go to our script, right? Our script is this, right? Oh, okay, this is our script. Oh, so that's our script. Copy, then paste. So this is the script, right? So first we're gonna do is copy this. All right, let's go to here, paste. No, the voice should be the title first. Okay, title will be this. Oh, okay, title is this. Okay, copy. Let's go back to Ultimate. Oops. Let's go. There you go. So that's the title. Let's go to the software here. Okay, then paste the title first. There you go. Space. Then let's copy. Okay. Okay, first, mostly what I do is like this. Introduction, build up, mostly over here. Okay, up to this one. We'll see if it's 2000 character. Word count. Where's the word count? That's okay. So copy. Let's go to the software here. Paste. Then we'll remove this one, the build up. Remove. Okay, so a sweet metallic. Let's go to sweet metallic. I put it here. Part 2. Okay, so P2 or part 2, because we already had this. Yeah, right? That one. So what we're gonna use here is Michael. Okay, this one.
Hi there, this is a sample voice test. Let's see how it sounds.
Yeah, we're gonna use Michael, okay? All the time. Okay, so generate. It's not done, or what happened? Here you go. So it's still, so the 11865. Alright, so
The Haunting of Room 101, a true story. It was the kind of hotel sliding a metal key across the counter.
okay, so that's the one, the part 1, okay? So what you can do is download it. So once you download, so download that one, right? And rename, okay? So let's say here.
The Haunting of Room 101, a true.
Okay, that's fine. Okay, na yan. So here we're gonna go to our downloads. Here on our download, that's gonna be go to your folder, then downloads, right? So downloads. So this is your download, right? So you put here. So it's more organized. It's rename. You need to rename it. Sorry. Rename. Okay, rename. So what's the title of the story? Is, hold on. Copy. Okay, so you rename it. You rename with the title of the story. Up, that one. Then after that, put part one. Okay, part one. Right. After that, same thing. What you're gonna do is the part two. Okay. So you can upload this on the folder. Okay. So let's go to your G drive here, right? So we can upload my drive, new file upload. I can use Google. Isa nakacheck ko yan. File upload na lang. Okay, that one, then open. And still uploading. Okay, so here you go, right? So what you can do is you can make a folder here. So like folder, so what's the title of this? Is the hunting number one. Copy here or this one. This is more organized, okay? So create, so that's the folder. So you can put there the docs, your docs, and the script. Move and the script. Okay, you can move the script. All right, move. So when you open the one, it's all over here for just only that script. Okay. So now next, so we're left in where's the here now? So part number two. Okay, so this one. Okay, part number two. Let's estimate up to 2,000. Let's say up to here. Copy. Then let's go back to the software. Up. Okay, here you go. There you go. So let's go to voice clone. Put the here. This is the part two. Okay. So did sweet metallic after nightmare. So we'll check after nightmare. So let's see what it, oh, no, it's not that. So nightmare, where's the nightmare? Nightmare, where is the nightmare? He bent down. The shirt he'd worn. Okay, the shirt he'd worn. The shirt. So this one is part three. Part one, part two. No, part three natin. Kasi part one, two, three. Okay. So this is gonna be the part three. Okay, so this will be the part two. So part three will be here. Okay. All right. So that's it. Let's go and produce. Make sure it's Michael. Then generate. There you go. There you go. So that's the one, right? Oh, it's 2,000 characters.
A sweet metallic tang hung in the air, faint but distinct, like rust or dried blood. He turned on the light. The walls were painted beige, the bedspread patterned with fading maroon flowers. But something about it didn't feel neutral. It felt staged, too still, too arranged, like a room that didn't want to be
Right.
disturbed.
So
He showered.
So you know the flow. Okay. So just go that one. While waiting, you can just reproduce again. Okay. So as long you know where you stop, so you can reproduce again. Part three. And there you go. Okay, up to here. Copy. So create audio. There you go. Paste. So you can download it and while waiting or something like that. So generate. He swore someone standing. He swore he saw. Part 5. You can highlight this one also or like that. Okay, so part 5. So this one, don't forget it's
Hi there. This is a sample voice test. Let's see how it sounds.
Then create. All right, so here you go. Let's wait. Mostly it's at the bottom. Oops. Okay, just next. I think number 3 now. Okay. So here you go. Sweet metallic, drop, a woman feels song. Just make sure you download and everything, okay? So here over here, you can see the time. 5:51, 5:45, 5:42. So this one. Huh? So this is the latest. Okay. Okay. So that's it. So let me know if you have any question.